gosh. Kind of cramped, but very comfortable. How much is it for this bad boy? Let's see, where is it? Included. Yo, look at that. 158,000. Yo, expensive car. Man, this thing's comfortable. I mean, really comfortable. Oh. Nope, I'm good. Appreciate it. You seem way down here, don't you? You don't like sedans, you won't like this, but once you're down here, it's fine. Is that fit for your feet? Fancy. I like it. Love the seats. Everything your body touches is just, it doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, that's plastic right there, but wow. I can't believe how expensive this car is. And doesn't he have a sunroof? What's up with that, Audi? Or Audi?